Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a macro in Zendesk. Macros are incredibly useful because they let you automate repetitive tasks and responses, saving you tons of time when managing customer tickets. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to zendesk.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has admin access, as you'll need the proper permissions to create and manage macros. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is your gateway to all administrative settings. Click on that gear icon and it will automatically direct you to the admin center. This is where you'll manage all the backend configurations for your Zendesk workspace. Now that you're in the admin center, focus on the left sidebar again. Click on workspaces and from the options that appear, select macros. This section is dedicated to managing all your automated responses and actions, making it easier to handle common ticket scenarios efficiently. Wait a moment for the page to fully load. Once everything is ready, you'll see a button that says Create Macro. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll start building your custom automation from scratch. The first thing you need to do is give your macro a clear descriptive name. For example, you might want to name it something like Send Reminder to Customer. Choosing a specific name helps you and your team quickly identify what the macro does when you're working through tickets. Next, click on Add Action. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Set Subject. In the field next to it, type Waiting for your reply. This action automatically updates the subject line of the ticket, making it clear to both you and the customer what the ticket is about. Now click Add Action again. This time select Set Tags from the options. Then in the field provided, insert a tag like Reminder. Tags are helpful for organizing and filtering tickets later, so you can easily track which ones have been followed up on. Click Add Action one more time. This time choose Comment/Description from the list. This action allows you to insert a pre-written message that will be sent to the customer. In the text box that appears, type out your message. This could be something like a polite reminder asking for their response, or any information you need from them. Once you've finished entering your message and are happy with all the actions you've set up, click Create. Your macro is now saved and ready to use. From now on, whenever you need to send a reminder to a customer, you can apply this macro with just a single click, streamlining your workflow and ensuring consistency in your communications. And that's it. You've successfully created a macro in Zendesk that will save you time and keep your ticket management organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.